One of the comments we most commonly get on our channel is about who is interested in feet photos, because let's admit it, some people still find it crazy and weird. Questions like, what are the most in-demand feet photo categories? How do I get feet photo buyers online? Where to find them? And how long can I get feet photo buyers? These and more questions that we get online saying that they need to get a prospective buyer quickly. For today's video, we will give you valuable tips and tricks on finding a photo buyer online so you can start selling your feet content. There are many ways to find feet lovers online as you live in the digital world. You can easily share your feet content across many platforms with just one click. You may post your feet content on the platforms or share your Feet Finder link to your social media accounts. To name a few websites where you can share your Feet Finder profile link and get prospective buyers, Feet Fetish dating sites offer individuals with foot fetishes, which is an excellent opportunity to find you the right partner. A foot fetish is a lot more common than you think, and many people are into feet, so finding a prospective buyer will not be a big task. It also depends on your purpose of finding a foot lover. Some women love to have their feet massaged or their feet worshipped, so they will search for a foot lover. Others may have a foot fetish and they want their partner to have the same fetish for a better understanding. Feet lovers are very common, so finding them is a lot easier than you think. These reasons made them search for feet lovers online. Many feet image sellers are also lovers, so approaching them can also work for you. Another easy way to find buyers is to join feet communities and groups on the regular. Virtually engage with them and be close to people who have the same interests and niches as you. Feet communities are the best place to share and to get your thoughts about feet and feet lovers. You will find many people with the same interests in common. Joining feet-related communities is so helpful for widening your social circle. Once you post feet content online, you can use feet-related hashtags on your Instagram to increase your searchability. If you have a YouTube channel, you can also promote your Feet Finder channel on YouTube. Just make sure to use the shorter links such as Linktree to avoid getting flagged by those so-called YouTube bots. With online monetization, you have all the resources to use them all. The only limit is yourself. But the question is, why would you limit yourself to the online community that gives you all the chances to market your own content? So go and let your feet explore. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more updates, helpful hints, and practical ideas for selling your feet content online. Always remember, when your feet want to explore, go to feetfinder.com. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration in whatever turns you on. Bye.